What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today we can't do anything because, well, today I was gonna paint the cage and the floor pan, you know, everything inside. Yeah, it's just not happening. Monsoon season here in Arizona is no joke. What's up, guys? We're back today with another video. Hi. Got an extra pair of hands to help off to start with, my brother. Awesome, thank you. But it's finally beautiful outside. We can actually start working on the car, thankfully, because we've been waiting for a while. Yesterday I rolled my ankle, so now it's swelled up about the size of a softball. You kind of see me limping, but I'll live. My dual caliper brackets finally came in. They were delayed almost 2 weeks, so we've just been waiting on that to start this little project. Got this wheel off. Still need to take off this wheel. Look at those meats. Some fresh tires. And if you look over here, I don't pay attention to that hole that's cut. It's not finished, but I just noticed there's a nice little chunk of Bondo right here. That's always awesome. I guess I gotta fix that too. But alright, guys, now that I got the wheel off, I need to take off the calipers. Yeah, and then we'll start taking off the rear cover. Hey.
That wasn't too bad. So what inch spacer do you have in the back?
It's a 1 inch. Swap it with a 1.5 inch.
Okay.
And I might have to roll the rear panels so it don't cut up. Oh, ew.
That's what happens when you work on a Ford.
Furred.
On a Ford.
It's my baby. It's my Furred.
There we go.
All right.
Now let's go ahead and pop this pumpkin.
We're gonna pop this pumpkin. Got a nice little
container.
It's a container.
Whew. Would you recommend other people getting a fuel cell?
For racing, yes. Daily use, no.
Why?
Because this car just drinks fuel like nothing.
That's true.
With the complete fuel upgraded stuff. I hate the way this stuff smells.
Yeah, it's probably the nastiest smelling thing ever.
Freaking disgusting. I'm anticipating the smell right now.
Oh god.
Yeah, I'm anticipating it. I'm gonna start gagging. This is gonna be good. I'm trying not to get my hat dirty.
Oh goodness, your hat.
I know. Love my hats. Oh, this is a pain in the butt. Alright guys, so got the cover popped open. And a little, you know, pro tip and trick. If you leave the top bolt in so this cover doesn't fall down as you're trying to drain your fluid, it kind of helps. Saves your butt a lot. And this is not a how-to video by all means. This is how I do it. So if you need some tips, I got you. But again, it's not a how-to. It's how I do. Alright. There. Is that beautiful? Let's see if I can. Oh, perfect right here. Let me see that real quick. Show you guys. It is a 355 rear end.
How do you like the 355 rear end?
Oh, I love it. It's way better than the 327, the stock.
Do you think you would get a
373?
Yeah.
Maybe, once I blow this one up. Now what's next is, here's a little set down. Can you turn the rotor? And stop right there. There's a little 5/16 8 mil right here. Pull that out. This pin comes out right here. And you don't keep spinning it. You leave it be or else it screws everything up and the spider gears start falling out. Once you take the the bolt out, pin comes out, axle slide out, poof.
Voila.
Voila.
And
again,
then it's done.
this hat's still not ruined yet.
There you go.
Yet. Alright, so a little update. We got both sides out. What are you doing?
I was counting the splines.
Both sides are out. This is the stock caliper bracket. Obviously, as you guys can see, that's what's going to be coming off. These 4 cute little bolts. And then we are going to put these new ones on that I forgot to spray. My helping hand at his finest, getting his hands dirty. They're rusted on or what?
No, they're coming off just fine.
Aw, snap. Busy boy. Well, they fit good, look good, except for one problem. They're not exactly a direct bolt-on. That hole's okay. But the caliper bolt that actually holds it from the back of the back of the bracket doesn't line up. So I'm gonna have to take these back off on both sides, drill the hole out in the back just to get it to fit. Alright, as you guys can see, both sides of the brackets are now on, axles are in. Still need to clean around that housing so I can put the cover back on it, but I almost forgot. I bought a new cover, and something I didn't account for is these covers are really thin. This new one has extremely thick areas where the bolts go, so the stock bolts aren't going to work, so I need to go find some bolts. So I found some bolts, put the cover on, and man, it looks good. And the reason I went with this diff cover was because the stock ones, in order to drain it and fill it, you have to pop the cover off. But instead of popping it off, drain bolt, fill bolt, never have to take it off again. Unless I blow it up, which hopefully won't happen for a little while. I'm tired of swapping rear ends, but the dual caliper brackets are both on. Diff cover's on. It's time to fill her up and put my calipers on, except these calipers, the second ones that I was going to put on, these set pins or slide pins, whatever the hell you want to call them, they're seized on there, so I'm going to try to torch them off, and if that doesn't work, I guess I have to buy new ones. And I really don't want to, but everything's good. So I had these caliper brackets soaking in PB Blast for about 2 days now. Tried torching them, used one of those slide hammers, nothing. They're not budging. So I'm gonna run to the parts store and go get the new ones.
Flew off his car.
Damn.
Kind of feel bad for this guy.
Alright guys, we're back. Got the new caliper brackets, picked up a hardware kit, got the pins. Almost have everything I need to put these calipers on, except they did not have my pads in stock, so I can't finish this project today, and it's starting to rain. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, it's raining again, huh?
It's getting ridiculous, man. It kind of prohibits us from doing everything we want to do. Don't you just love putting these together?
No.
No? Why?
They're greasy.
They're a little nasty.
Well, caliper brackets fit perfect.
Well, yeah, I'd hope so. Where's the new pads? Oh, there it is. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Look how small it is.
Hey, size don't matter.
It doesn't? Want to tell that to the people?
Size doesn't matter when it comes to brakes.
But it does.
Does not matter. Look at that.
Look how perfect that looks. Looking all good.
Ta-da! Alright guys, we got both sides installed. Pads, calipers, all that good stuff. Except it looks disgusting. We pretty much came to the conclusion that I think I need to paint the calipers, but I have no idea what color I want to paint them. So, I think I'm going to have all you guys put in the comments below what color you think these calipers should be, and whatever the most listed color that you guys put is what I'll paint these calipers. Alright, so now that these brackets are installed, I'm unfortunately not going to be installing the hydro brake, because when I paint the cage I'm going to have to take everything back out. So instead of bleeding the brake system twice, I'm only going to do it the one time, one shot, one go, perfect. But in all seriousness, I want you guys to give me a comment on what color you want these calipers to be, and the most popular color that wins, I'll paint these. I don't care if it's green, pink, yellow, orange, red, silver, whatever. Whatever you guys want, I'll paint them. Just you have to leave that comment below. And if you guys like all the videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see more of, what you don't want to see more of, what you'd like me to go in depth with. I got you. Just let me know. Thanks for watching.